Alright everybody, welcome to another vlog. Right now I'm in the middle of the road and I'm with my umbrella. Alright, the struggle is real. Ode talked to me like, oh, you take an Uber, but then I insist. Shit, I'm stuck on this thing. We'll see. My shoes is wet and I'm heading to Ode's working place. Oh my gosh, the struggle is real.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. Today's date is September 20 and it is Ian's birthday. It is his birthday today. I just got home. I went to the mall to pick up some stuff. I just got home, so as soon as I got home, I fed Mr. Jasper right there. Now he's eating. Let me show you. Wow, Jasper, that was less than a minute. You already finished your food? Alright, so as what I've said, I went to the mall, pick up some items. Bam! I'm going to surprise Ian. See, I got him a balloon. I also got him a cake. I'm gonna set up everything first and then I'll show you guys, okay? Right, so I got Ian a cake. I got it at Red Ribbon. And this is how it looks like. Ta-da! He loves ube, so I got him ube overload. Ube, happy birthday, my love. And then I pick up some items. I also have his gift over there. Pick up some items at the dollar store. I got a banner right here. Banner. Oh, happy birthday balloon. Happy birthday napkin thingy. Oh, sweetener. And then an umbrella, candle. Someone's calling me. I'm not gonna pick it up. I don't know that person. Okay, and then I got this bag. However, I don't think my gift fit inside, so I got another one at Daiso. Ta-ding! Alright, so this is my setup. I put in the banner right there. That's the balloon. I will put the cake right here. It's still in the fridge. And my gift. Ready? Let's surprise him. In 3, 2, 1.
There.
Yay!
Thank you.
Okay, blow your candle, make a wish.
Parang bata lang. Okay.
Yay!
Thank you. Okay, Echo. I know it already. Echo Show. So Lex is right there, and this is Echo Show. Really? Did you bought it on Amazon or you just bought it now?
I went to Amazon.
You just bought it now?
Secret.
Oh my gosh, this is expensive, bro.
But you have another gift from me. What's your other gift?
Oh yeah. So my other gift. She gave me a new car keys.
She gave no. You're gonna have to pay it monthly.
So it means that I have my new ride, but give me the camera. I'll show it to them. So I'm in my uniform though. I just arrived. Sorry for my mess. So now, nanlaba si madam. So right here is my car. I park it all the way from there inside because I have a new car! Yay! Before I go to my car, I'll just change. Ooh! Alright, nag-change na. So, Jasper is here! Jasper! Do I have a slipper?
No, it's over there. Why don't we just go on the other side?
Okay, we'll just go in the garage. Garage, did you lock that thing over there? Alright. Woohoo! That's my new ride.
I need a bottle, yeah. I know you got it, so fill up my cup. And she hit the lotto. Yeah, she was a model. Damn. She said she gotta go, so I told her listen on a high note.
Alright.
Wow, huh?
What model is this?
2018 Hyundai Elantra.
Elantra. Your door is open.
The door is open.
Yeah. Still open though.
What the heck?
Alright. Let's go.
No.
I didn't bring my license though. Or even the...
Okay, I have one more thing to tell you.
Okay.
We have a reservation.
Is it tomorrow?
We have a reservation this afternoon at 5
Where?
at the Japonesa sushi place in Seattle.
Did you reserve it?
At 5.
Aww.
Ano naman?
Can you move it tomorrow?
No, I want it tonight. I want it tonight. We are heading to Angle Lake Station to catch the light rail. We will be heading to Seattle because I made a reservation in Japonesa sushi place. The last time we ate there was probably last year, winter time. I missed that place, so we're going to celebrate just a simple dinner with Ian and I. Alright, so yeah, we're both wearing jackets today because it's officially the start of fall, and this morning it was...
Wait, what do you mean officially? It's still summer.
No, I think it is fall already. When is fall?
After 4 days.
Stop. When people are uploading videos for fall season, whatever decor, I think it's already fall.
But it's not official.
So, this morning it was crazy cold. Nax. It was cold. It was raining. It was, when it rains, it pours. Yeah, it was raining talaga, bongga. And then it stopped. And then now, a little bit, you know, cloudy and
What do you mean cloudy? It's sunny.
No, the sun is
foggy.
It's coming out little bit lang, ganyan lang. So yeah, we're heading to Seattle, and come with us. We're gonna take the train because we're not gonna drive all the way there and pay $25 parking. Okay? I could have never.
$25. It's only 15.
Remember last time we paid?
Ooh, when? I didn't pay 25.
Where was it we paid 25? I think it was 25. Anyways, okay, fine. 15 na lang. 15, 25 minus that. Okay, it's expensive to park over there in Seattle. So, this is it, Pansit. See you later.
Please stay behind the yellow textured strip until the train.
Seattle Art Museum. Okay, where are we heading?
We're heading home.